So now let's see how we can work around with basic formulas inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I have a range of data, and if I want to, let's say for example, add out the data or subtract the data, then I can do so by using formula. And for that we need to use the formula bar, and to access that you can go around over here and then enable or disable the formula bar. So I'm going to go to view and enable that out so that you can see this right here. So what I want to do is, let's say I want to add these two cells right here. So in that case, I can press equals, which denotes that I'm writing in a formula right here, as you can see. And then I'm going to go around and then click this right here. So once I click it, you can see that it says F3, or you can directly type in E3, not F3, but E3, directly type it in, and it recognizes it as a cell. That is because I typed in E3 and it is highlighted, as you can see. I'm going to use the basic mathematics operations such as plus, and then I'm going to click this so you can see that E3 plus E4 is equals to right here. So this is actually in the date format. I do not want it to be a date format. I want to format it as currency. So now you can see that this is proper. So now 80 plus 150 is 230, as you can see. You can also go around and then add in more. I can press plus, and there you go, 100 is 330 right here. And maybe I want to subtract it. So minus, I'm going to do 90 right here. Or maybe I want to multiply it. So I want to keep all of these in bracket. And then after that, multiply is the asterisk right here. And let's say I want to multiply it by 100. And there you go, there's the multiplication. And maybe I want it to be divided as well. So let me keep everything in the bracket. So it's just like what you learn in mathematics. And you can press the slash key right here. And then click here, and that is how you can divide. And that is how you can apply out formulas, as you can see, and you can make it as detailed as you want. And that is how you can apply basic formula inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.